So what we've really got is a system-wide snow that started this morning. We expect 2 to 4 inches of snow yet to fall through the rush hour and early evening tonight. Over 90 trucks are out on the road right now. This morning when we went out on those roads, when the snow started, we've been trying to get everywhere we can, but as the snow continues, our focus really brings us back to those heavy traveled highways, multi-lane primaries, those that are traveled by the most vehicles at the highest speeds, and that's where we're focusing. We'll continue that with our night crew tonight, 8 p.m. tonight. Really our heaviest snow is expected to really taper off and kind of pick up a little bit more into some lake effect snow. So maybe what we're seeing right now with that smaller, finer, wetter snow that we're getting from the system will turn into some more of your larger snowflakes tonight in through the morning. And last conversation I just had with the National Weather Service really talked about mid-morning, 5 a.m. Tomorrow morning. Hopefully this will shut off for at least the rest of the day. If the snow does stop like it's forecasted, then at that time we'd really branch out into the rest of the county and provide service. But we really still need the motoring public to understand that while we're out there doing our work, they need to yield us some space and really plan for some extra time. It's going to take longer to get where you need to go. Slow down a bit, drive for the conditions, have your headlights on even though maybe the sun's still out as you head home tonight, and we want to get you where you want to go safely.